Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily shut down or turn off the Windows 11 PC or laptop using keyboard. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let me just show you my on-screen keyboard to completely show you what keys do you need to press exactly to avoid any confusion or mistakes. So let me just proceed to my button search bar here and let me just type on settings. Okay, so let me just click on open at the best match. And from here, let me just navigate to the left side of that and let me just proceed with the accessibility. And under the accessibility, let me just scroll down and go with this keyboard. Okay, let me just turn on my on-screen keyboard. Okay. So at the built-in or physical keyboard that you are having along with your laptop, okay, you need to press Windows key and X key and letter U key together two times in your keyboard, and by that you would be able to turn off or shut down your laptop or PC. Again, do not press or do not use your on-screen keyboard. I'm just showing you what exactly keys do you need to press to avoid any mistakes or error because you might press the wrong key, okay? So to avoid any confusion, I'm showing you my on-screen keyboard, okay? So again, press Windows key, X key, and letter U key two times. Press U key two times. Again, Windows key, letter X key together, and U key two times, twice. And by that, you would be able to turn off or shut down your PC or laptop. Again, for the second time, press Windows key, letter X key, and U key twice. And by that, you would be able to shut down or turn off your Windows PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up as well as a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on turning off or shutting down your Windows 11 PC or laptop using the shortcut key that I have shown you earlier in this video. Okay? So thank you for watching this video and have a good day.